Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about the basic content editing workflow in Concrete5. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, or indeed why I'm even doing this video, you should check out the previous video in this series where I talk to you a little bit about what Concrete5 is, what we're going to be doing in this series, and why we're going to be doing it. Basically, Concrete5 is a content management systems similar to Drupal or WordPress, and I'm going to be doing a series of tutorials on it as I've done for both of those systems. It's the most different out of one that I've tried. The philosophies are a lot different as I'm discovering, so that's why I'm doing these set videos. Anyway, so I'm going to talk to you about editing Concrete5. Now, we need to understand the concept of what we're doing before we do it. As you can see on this page here, there's no content. There's just a title. In a CMS like Drupal or WordPress, you click add content, fill out a form for your given content type, and a piece of content is added to the website. It's not quite the same in Concrete5. Whenever you add a page, you specify what type of page it is from the list, but it's a shell. You have different regions according to the page type that you can add content into, but you have to add content individually. So and it's on page editing. So here I am logged into the website, and you can see that there's nothing on this page. In the last video, we used the dashboard, this interface to configure a couple of settings, and you'd think if you're going to do that, you might go to the single page link down here and add a page, or indeed go to the right link there. Writing a page in the composer is just specifying a really basic outline about what that page is about. Things like the page title and what you can put in that, what you can put in that right panel is defined by the page type. But how do we edit the page itself? Well, what we do is we click this edit button that is here, and obviously this is only present when you on the page. We go to this editing menu, and we see what pops up is these a collection of regions we can click on that were defined by the theme designer. You can define other regions. I'll show you how to do that in the theming video, but these were defined by the theme designer as regions where you can add content. So, but what's more, we can't just click on one of these and add content. What we have to do is we have to add a block. Now, this is really important in Concrete5. A block is a piece, a type, stroke piece of content. Now, in Drupal, a block is it's kind of the same thing. It's not a node, because a node is a piece of content, but it's something that can go alongside a piece of content, but is separate from it. The idea of a block is to be a self-contained piece of content that can be displayed along with a particular node, but doesn't go with a particular node. In Concrete5 a block is anything. You can't have a Concrete5 site without having blocks, because if I click add to main to add content, you'll notice that I get elements of sections here, and we'll go through them as we go along. But the one I need to click on just to add in any simple content is the add block option, and we'll talk about what stacks are and that in later videos. And you see here, I get a whole bunch of types of blocks I can add. Now, if you just want to add standard content, as we're going to do, then obviously you click content. But as you can see now, there's several types of blocks you can add, and you can also get more blocks from the Concrete5 website. But we're just going to hit content, and you see here we get a self-contained editor. It all happens with the page behind the scenes. When it comes to adding content, there's no administration theme. You do it on the front page of itself, and then you approve the changes, which we'll show you in a minute. But like we said, we got the editor here. I don't like using rich text editors, so we're gonna hit the HTML button. You can see now how it said at the start JavaScript is a requirement. You can see why. So we're just gonna add a H2 saying hello. Close that off and hit the update button. That's going to go along to the editor, get passed into the editor, and I'm happy with that. So we're gonna hit add on that. Now you see it there, so you'd think it was added to the page, but we're still in this special edit mode. So what we need to do is click up here on editing, and Concrete5 works in this concept of versions. Every edit you make to a page gets saved as a version, which is a very useful very useful tool if you need to revert back. So we're just save out as initial version, and we're gonna hit publish my edits. Now, even if we log out of the administration, that change has been added to our website. Once you understand that principle, the principle of blocks, you can do so much more with your site. In future videos, we're gonna talk about theming and adding other blocks and page types and other things you can do. But that is the key concept of Concrete5. You have to understand that it's kind of in-place editing. It works on versions, and crucially you have to understand what blocks are. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. My website address is down below, tom-rogers.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.